Police Officer's Prayer. Lord, I thank you for the honor of protecting those around me as a police officer. On my honor, I will never betray my badge, my integrity, my character, or the public trust. I will always have the courage to hold myself and others accountable for our actions. Today, I ask for courage, courage to face and conquer my own fears. I ask for strength of body to help protect others around me. I also ask for the strength of spirit to lead others in doing the right thing and protection for all involved. I ask for dedication to my job, to do it to the best of my ability, dedication to my community, to keep it safe from those who may not know you, Lord. Give me, Lord, concern for others who trust me and compassion for those who need me. Through it all, Lord, I ask that you be by my side. Amen. Thank you for praying with us today. Subscribe to our channel for more prayers and inspiration. May God bless you.